Hello everyone, welcome back to Traveling For You YouTube channel. This video I will share about the top 5 most visited tourist places in Armenia.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me fear.
Armenia is a former Soviet Republic country in Caucasus region between Asia and Europe. It is a beautiful country with amazing landscaping and amazing people. Of course, they also have amazing culture.
Myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just sweet goodbye.
If you haven't been there, just plan and get out there.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So let's get started. Our number 1 is obviously Yerevan City.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Yerevan City is the capital city of Armenia, located to the west of the country on the eastern skirt of Mount Ararat.
oh,
Yerevan takes the role of center not only for the diplomatic mission but also for education, history, tourism, and you will never get tired of walking around its famous Republic Square. Climbing a giant stairway made of limestone called Cascade Complex. I'm sure you will enjoy this lovely city, Yerevan.
you're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Number 2 in our list is called Khor-Bayrat.
Don't leave me here high and dry.
Khor-Bayrat is ancient monastery in Armenia, located southeast Yerevan, and it is just about 40 kilometers away from capital city of Armenia. This ancient monastery holds the history from the 5th century
You whip up my appetite
with the stunning views of Mount Ararat.
and dry. Oh,
If you are traveling to Armenia, you can miss this place. It is beautiful, lovely, amazing place. Amazing view you will see. Now if you are traveling during the winter and love cold and snow activities, this is the place called Sagaza Ski Resort. Just about 56 kilometers away from the Yerevan city, and you will be on the top of this lovely ski resort within just about 1 to 2 hours.
baby, you give me ice and
This is the perfect place for winter
me
activities.
wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Number 4 in our list is called Lake Sivan.
Don't leave me here.
Armenia has no access to the sea, but look at this lake called Lake Sivan. It is 1,900 meters above sea level and covering 1,240 square kilometers. It is the largest lake in the Caucasus region and also one of the largest freshwater in high altitude lake in the world. It is so amazing to have such a big lake in high altitude. Very close to the Sagaza ski resort. It's very easy, just a few minute drive, you will reach there. Just get there, you will love it.
Baby, you give me midnight.
Finally, our number 5 in the list is called Dvir City. Dvir City is in the northern Armenia.
Oh,
It's known for spa resort and also known as Armenia Switzerland. In summer, I suppose the town is surrounded by the forest of Dvir National Park. Any direction you look in, you will be greeted by the beautiful nature.
That's me, just my mind. Oh,
But we came here in winter. The city is covered by snow blankets. You can see snows everywhere. Armenia is an amazing country, beautiful, friendly people, and if you have more time to spend, there are a lot more to visit. I hope you're enjoying this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.